Okay, sometimes you get a function, an equation that is in the wrong form. Okay, so for example, x plus y equals 2, that's the first example. It's not in the form y equals mx plus c, but it's very easy to make it so. We can simply rearrange the equation that we've got to make y the subject. So if I did that, it'd be y equals negative x plus 2, and now we have it in the right form, so you can see now where they've got a gradient of -1 and a y-intercept of 2. I'm going to let's do this one, and then I'll leave you to do the rest. So here we go, we've got an equation 3y equals 6x minus 9. Very simple, divide everything by 3, but a lot of you will do this, and that's okay, but I want you to recognize that you can split that apart, because that would be the same as 6x over 3 minus 9 over 3, because we need it split apart, basically, because it's y equals mx plus c, and the rules of fractions allow me to do that. So y is going to be equal to 2x minus 3. So we rearrange that. Y equals 2x minus 3. And so what we will get is a gradient of 2 and a y-intercept of negative 3. An alternative way of getting to the same point is maybe factorize the numerator of this expression. So y is equal to 3, highest common factor is 3, so 3 times 2x minus 3 over 3, and then the 3's can cancel because you've got product. So y equals 2x minus 3. Either way is fine for arriving at getting it into this form. Okay, so stop your video and have a go at the questions that I haven't filled in. Okay, so this one will be y equals minus x minus 4, so gradient minus 1, y-intercept minus 4. This will be y equals 3x plus 1, so it'll be gradient 3, y-intercept of 1. This will be y equals 3x plus 15, gradient 3, y-intercept of 15. This will be y equals minus 2x plus 1. So gradient of negative 2, y-intercept of 1. This will simply be y equals x. Gradient 1, y-intercept 0. This will be y is equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 2. Okay? So gradient of minus 3 over 2 and y-intercept of 2. This will be y equals a third x minus 4 over 3. So gradient is a third, y-intercept minus 4 over 3. Pass just under the x-axis. What will this one be? This will be, it'll be 5y equals 4x plus y. So y is equal to 4 over 5x plus 1. So a gradient of 4/5 and a y-intercept of 1. Okay, let's just do this one the long way. So x over 3 plus y over 4 equals 5 over 6. First things first, let's add these fractions algebraically. So it's going to be 4x plus 3y over 12 equals 5 over 6. So then 4x plus 3y over 12, there are many ways to do this, but let's just change this so they have the same denominator. Now they've got the same denominator, I can just ignore them. So 4x plus 3y must be equal to 10. So 3y must be equal to negative 4x plus 10. So y must be equal to minus 4 over 3x plus 10 over 3. So let's write that down. Y is equal to negative 4 over 3x plus 10 over 3. And so gradient is minus 4 over 3. Y-intercept at 0, 10 over 3. We can leave things as fractions you know, unless it's paper 4, paper 6, you've got a calculator, you might be able to work out the actual answers. Okay, so again, I'll stop the video there.